Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to check out the ROX-Fluxbox. So let us start. You have to input your password and then it will open the session. So the session is open and you can see the bottom toolbar, or we can say the panel, is in the style that we had fixed during our Fluxbox session. So in the Fluxbox video we had done some experiments with the different styles available for the toolbar at the bottom, and we had fixed one style with this yellow tinge color, so that looks very nice and we have kept that only. So once you change the session of Fluxbox, so different sessions are there, so whenever you change the sessions the styling will remain same, and only the few applications change when you change the sessions. For example, from Fluxbox, now you are logged into the ROX-Fluxbox, and you may also log into the ZZZ Fluxbox. So only application available changes, but rest of all the things remain same. It is a Fluxbox only. So first thing, as you know, you have to open the control center and go for the resolution setting. That is done. Now you can see everything, all the things are okay. We will use the app killer. Then what we will do is we will start the conky again. Here is the conky. Let me check. So the conky should start. Graphics, app select. Let us go with the app select and search for conky. Yes, now the conky is at the perfect position. Let us check out what is different in this this session, that is the ROX session of Fluxbox. So we have seen app select is there, terminal, file manager, web browser, editor, all things are same. Even the personal menu help video is also there. In applications, you can see all the applications, everything is same. Everything is there what it was there in the Fluxbox. In games also same games. In accessories you can see everything is same, nothing is different. Even the ZZZ FM file search is also available. Graphics is also same, all graphics applications. Internet section same, all applications are there what is there in the Fluxbox. In multimedia also nothing is changing. In the office section you get the LibreOffice suite and the QPDF viewer. In preferences, if you check, you see everything is same, nothing, not a single item or application is different. In programming, same Guinea, Meld and Vim Tiny. In system, you can see this ROX filer is there. So ROX filer we have seen in the ISWM session. So ISWM window manager, same applications for the ROX, they are here also. ROX filer as root, ROX tab and the task manager. Now let us open the ROX filer. So this is the ROX filer or ROX file manager. Very simple but very effective file manager, very light and very responsive. Then further we check ROX filer as root. So here you open the file manager with root privileges. And see here it is with the root privileges. I'm not going in much detail because we have already seen this in the ISWM, it is same. And the ROX terminal is there. So that is also your scene. So I'm just showing you in very short time. Now let us open the desktop and compare the resource usage. So here you can see just 265 MB of RAM is used. So this is equal to the standard ISWM session, almost there. Just 20 MB less than the standard ISWM session. And load averages are little more. It was 0.1 to 0.2 or 3 in ISWM. Here it is 0.20, around 0.20 max. and number of tasks, you can see it is 49. I think it was similar. I think in ISWM it was 41 number of tasks. Here the number of tasks is 49. Just a moment, I will maximize it so you can check. So these are the tasks that are running. You can filter via all this PID or username. Then CPU, you can see very 1.3% CPU usage at max. Okay, so now what we will do is we will keep that where it has, okay, it has disappeared. We will keep it open only. We will keep stop also, and we will open the task manager also. So here you can see 295 it is showing, and it is showing 297. So exact figures are matching, and CPU usage is below 1%, 0 to 1%. So very light and comparable to ISWM. Rest of the all things you already know. I am not going to show everything. Then the ZZZ file manager is there. So this is for the ZZZ Fluxbox session. So what happens is multiple sessions are installed. Therefore you see the applications related to some session in other sessions also, because all are installed. But if you just install the ZZZ FM session of Fluxbox, you will get only the applications related to ZZFM, and some common applications like these are all common applications. So they will be available, but you won't see the ROX terminal and the ROX applications in ZZ session, and in ROX session you won't see the ZZFM files, that is the ZZFM and the your ZZZ file search. So these two are specific to ZZZ session, and the ROX applications shown here are specific to the ROX sessions of either ISWM, JWM, or even your Fluxbox. So those are session specific, but they are appearing here also because all the sessions are installed on one system, and that is the reason you see all the applications in the application menu. Universal access, you get Magnus and on both. You got the control center, everything is same, nothing different is there. You can see everything is same. So nothing new here. You got a run, so you can run any application. You can run it in terminal. You can run any application or run any command as a root here. You can launch a program, that is that application. And then in Fluxbox settings, you see we had done the styles, so different styles were there. So we had fixed this lemon space pro medium size style. Looks very nice and very refreshing for the eyes. And this is the workspace and icon management or icon configuration or setting, whatever you say. And you can reconfigure also. Let us see what happens if you press the reconfigure button. Nothing is happening, and let us try the restart. Yes, so that will restart the Fluxbox session. Okay, so this is it for the Fluxbox. We will stop the video here. In the next video we will try out the ZZZ Fluxbox. So see you then. Bye bye.